So here we are. We're nearing the end of the trail. We're about 16 kilometers from Saint Jerome. And I think there's some kind of, I don't know what there is around here actually. But behind these trees, let's see if we can show it to you. There are some huge cliffs. Gorgeous. So we'll see if we can get a glimpse of them again. I don't know if you can see it, but the colors are just slightly not as dramatic as further north. I haven't turned yet. You can see maybe you can see the hill ahead, and the foliage is, much of it's still green, beginning to turn. And here, let's see the cliffs. There they are. Look at that. So, yeah, don't have much to say right now. Feeling a bit tired, but more than tired, feeling a little melancholy about the trip ending, since we're only 15k away from Saint Jerome. So that means we've done 65k today, and we'll do 15 more to end the trip.